Hey everybody, it's Crafty Kitty. I'm here to share with you what I got for myself for Christmas. Yes, I did. I bought myself something. It wasn't amazing, hey? Like, I don't buy myself stuff as it is through the years, but this is what I got. I got this. Woohoo! It's a Funko Advent Pocket Pop Advent Calendar, and I just got it. And now I'm going to share, since we're at December 10th today, I get to open 10 in a row. So that is awesome. And sorry for my puppy. One moment, please. Okay, we're back. And I don't know how they do it, but they since my son was coming home. And of course, he walks in the door 2 seconds later and they're going crazy. Anyways, this is the back of the box. And these are the bottoms I'm supposed to be getting. Something like this. And then you open it up here. Ta-da! Advent calendar. So I get to open 10 of these because I only got it not too long ago and I kept wanting to film this video and then I never did. But we are going to open these, the first 10 together, and then I will probably hold off on the next few and open them again show you the next ones that I get. So I think we'll just wait. It's the 10th now, so maybe on the 15th I'll do another video and show you the 5 that I get. And then we'll open up the rest of them. Now this says it's an advent calendar, and I'm getting 24. I would think there should have been 25 characters if it's an advent calendar. It only goes to the 24th. I thought it was for a full time. Darn it. Oh well. That's okay. I'm not complaining. Well, I am complaining, but who cares, right? Just open the calendar already. Okay, let's open up the first box. We're going to poke it in there. It went the wrong way. Maybe. Ah, I can't get it. Oh, I'm trying not to break the box here, because I don't want to lose the box. So here we go. Let's see who we get. Because I don't know if these are in the same order or anything, but... Oh, it's in a little blue baggie, too. More suspense than we need here. Okay, let's see who we get. Who do we get? I don't remember this character for some reason. I can't remember his name. I'm going to have to look him up. A little pumpkin head guy. I think he's one of the kids. I'm not quite sure. Cute, though. Ooh, we got him. Okay, so now we got to go to number 2. And we're going to open up number 2. Oh, and all the baggies are different colors. You know, this one's a white baggie. Okay, you got to figure out how to do this. Who do we get? Oh, my favorite! Zero! He's so cute. Look at his ears. He's just adorable. Look at him. I love Zero. He's just cute. Little puppy dog with the pumpkin on his nose. A little pumpkin for his nose. Too cute. Okay, come back here. Look. Come on. Okay, so that's enough of that one. But he's cute, isn't he? Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Okay. Another blue bag. Let's see who we're going to get this time. Who are we going to get? We got the mayor. Oh, awesome. Look at him. Oh, he's so... There's his happy face. There's his not so happy face. Happy face? Not a happy face. And his coattails on backwards. But anyways, I don't think his head... No, he doesn't twist. Ooh, we're just going to twist him around. Doop, doop, doop. I like him. The mayor's pretty cool. Now, why did I do that? Ow! Ow! Sorry. I got stuck in the box and about rips your skin off. All right. Back to a white bag. Okay, let's see. This one doesn't even feel like the same kind of material for the bag. It's really weird. Yeah, this one's like crinkly, and this one's like plasticky. Weird. Okay, who do we get? Forget about the plastic bags. Oh, Oogie Boogie. Look at him. He's cute. Oogie Boogie. Oh, that's awesome. I love Oogie Boogie too. He's one of my favorite characters. Blue bag. Let's see who we get. Ugh. I'm telling you, to make the bags even harder and harder to get into. Oops. Oh, great. We found out it was Sally. Way before we even knew it because she fell out of the bag. I like Sally too. I don't know how I'm going to display these. I think I might just leave them in the box and open the doors. Maybe that's how I can do it. Let's see. Nope, can't do it that way. We're on day 6, by the way, now. So, let's see who we get. Oh, darn it. Holy moly, they've gone crazy and they're just jumping out of the bags there. Oh, it's Jack. The scientific method, it says on his book. Look at that. He's cute. Sleepy time Jack. I wish it would pick up what it says on his book for you, but it's not. But it does say the scientific method. Cute. Oh, I wish I had something I could poke this with so that I didn't rip half my finger off here. Come on. Come on, open up. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow. This thing is... I have a warning on opening this box. Holy moly, that hurt. Yeesh. I think next time I'm just going to poke it with something and pull it out. You believe that hurt. Okay, so this bag opened really nice. And let's see who we got in here. Who we get? Who we get? Who we get? I don't know. Kind of reminds me of a clown, which I don't particularly like clowns. There he is. Doo-doo-doo. I can't remember his name either. These are all characters from the Nightmare Before Christmas, so I'm going to have to look it up. Figure out who these guys are after we've opened all the boxes. And of course, he didn't want to get unblurried. There he is. So we're at day 8. We only got 2 more boxes to open up, and then we have to wait. The suspense, I tell you. I don't know who's going to have a worse time waiting the 5 days to open these. You or me. Probably me. Alright, let's get this bag in there. Alrighty. Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Oh, I remember him. The scary teddy bear. He's cute. He's kind of creepy looking, but he's cute. So we got that one. My finger really hurts from opening this box. All right, we're at day 9. Day 9. What's that? Weird. Okay. I was just wondering if maybe I had 2 blue bags in one row. I don't think so. I can't even open these things. All right, who did we get? We got Lock. I think this is Lock. Lock, Stock, Barrel. I think this is Lock. But I can't remember for sure. Now I have to go look it up. It's pretty bad that I can't remember all the characters. Ooh. Okay, we're on day 10, people. Here we go. The last one for this video. So, let's see. Who do we got? Who do we got? Maybe it's one Lock or Stock or Barrel. Stock or Barrel. Who do we get? Oh, we got Lock, Stock. This is Stock. These are the little kids. The ones that they're considered the little kids that are in the movie, the cartoon there. And I'm glad they're there. Okay, so we only opened, yes, 10 days. Right there. This one is right there. Let's just go to 10 instead of, 8 or 9. But there's 10. 11 is still closed, so we're good. We're good. We'll be back in 5 days. 5 days I'll open this. But in the meantime, between that, opening this and that, I do have another video for you to see, which is a Dollarama haul. And boy, was I happy with what I found there. So stay tuned for that video because I think you'll like it. Thank you all for watching this. I hope you had fun opening this Advent calendar with me. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you know when I upload new videos. And I hope everybody is all safe and sound and enjoying the new snowfall. I don't know. I don't particularly join the new snowfall myself, but I hope everybody else is. It feels like snow that's good for throwing a few snowballs around. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Have a happy day and let's all get crafty. Bye.